This product review is a little different than some of the other stuff I do. In fact, I got 2 of these for Christmas. And what I got are 2 handheld bidets. I'll be reviewing one, and it is a handheld stainless steel personal bidet sprayer. They say you can use this for washing pets, flushing the commode, personal hygiene, diaper flushing, or rinsing your mop. So you do have choices. This little item is something that is necessary to cleanse personal areas, but most people don't want to talk or think too much about it. This is not an endorsed product review, but if you decide you want one of these after we're done looking at it, I'll put a link in the video description where if you click on it and buy one, I'll get a small commission at no additional cost to you. Thank you. And if you've never installed something like this, I'll put a link in the video description where I show you how I installed mine. Now, unfortunately, the water is cold, so be prepared for a little bit of a surprise when it hits those sensitive areas. And our family has a septic system, and I was hoping to be able to cut down on some of the toilet paper usage, especially with the kids.
In my opinion, this would be a bit cruel to use on pets unless they're used to cold water bathing, or you have it connected to a warm water supply. And unless you're fortunate enough to have a shower or tub close to your toilet's water supply, the hose will have trouble reaching your pet. As far as flushing the toilet, I guess it could help with rinsing the bowl if something gets stuck. It could help to pressure wash where you need it. I can also see the handheld bidet being used for cleaning your mop. So if this is one of the reasons you want it, just make sure you adjust the pressure so it doesn't splash back and get all over the place. If this is a big reason for you getting one, then it's a buy. I've never used one of these before and had some vision that this would be a great solution to our toilet paper issues, but with the amount of water that ends up all over your bottom, and I'll admit I'm not sure what the social standard is here, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to dry off before you pull up your pants, and the cold shock to the system is an unwelcome surprise. It might take some time to get used to. This is a strange case because the product, in my opinion, is fairly easy to install and it did function properly, but in our case, I don't think it was quite the solution I was looking for. It will not cut down on toilet paper use because you have to dry yourself, and the cold water is a shock. But if you're used to a bidet or have a safe warm water source, it might be okay. The stainless steel handheld bidet hose isn't long enough and the water would be a bit cold to bathe a pet. You could clean a diaper and rinse them up.
This stainless steel personal hygiene bidet sprayer isn't going to work out for me personally for hygiene, but it could be handy for a few of the other advertised issues. And it does function the way it's supposed to, and it should satisfy most of the advertised tasks. I will say that if you're used to using a bidet and you want one, it's a buy. Make sure you subscribe and click the link in the video description when you buy your stainless steel personal hygiene bidet sprayer.